Do you want to add or change your email ID in your Instagram account? Then you are at the right video. Just watch this video carefully. And if you are new to this channel, please do like and subscribe. Now let's move to my mobile screen. First of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile phone and then tap on your profile icon, which is right below. On your profile page, click on this menu bar, then click on Account Center. On this Account Center page, scroll down a little bit, stop at the Account Settings section, and then click on Personal Details. Right on the Personal Details page, you can see that my email or Gmail is already added. I am showing you this for demo purposes. To add or change your email, click on Contact Info and wait for a few seconds until a new page opens. Now click on Add a new contact. This pop-up page asks what you want to add, a mobile number or an email. So click on Add an email and go ahead. Now on this page, enter the email you want to add and make sure you tick the account that you want to associate with this email. Now, this red text indicates that the previously added email will be replaced by this new email because I am replacing my previous email with a new email. So to confirm this, click on Next. Confirmation code has been sent to your email, so first copy that code from your email. Now minimize this, go to the home screen, and open the Gmail application. Refresh here, and if the confirmation mail has not come from Instagram, then tap on this menu bar on the left side, click on All Inboxes. Again, refresh here. As you can see, the confirmation mail has come now, so click on this and inside this, scroll down a little bit to copy the code that you received. Now go back to Instagram, enter that code here, and just click on the Next button. Now wait for a few seconds. Finally, you can see that the email has been added successfully. This is how anyone can add or change an email or mobile number on their Instagram account. If you found that video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, my friends.